Well, the group that's been trying to ban fracking in Youngstown is expected to file a lawsuit tomorrow morning with the Ohio Supreme Court after the Mahoning County Board of Elections today voted to keep its proposals off the November ballot. At issue at today's meeting was a new state law allowing boards of elections to invalidate charter proposals that conflict with state law. On the ballot or not is new at 10. The Mahoning County Board of Elections and Youngstown's anti-fracking group this evening debated the merits of the new state law, which allows election boards to keep issues off the ballot, which they find to be illegal or unconstitutional in Ohio.
I took an oath to follow the law and the Constitution of the state of Ohio.
It's the law. It's the law.
Kathleen Berry dramatized the situation the anti-fracking group was facing, despite being defeated 6 times. It wants another ballot issue to ban fracking in Youngstown. But it also wants a second issue to limit campaign contributions in Youngstown to $100 and to allow those contributions to be made only by city residents.
Because we have seen nothing but big business money thrown at the drinking water protection Community Bill of Rights to defeat it over and over again.
Attorney Joe Garino, representing Western Reserve Building Trades, asked the board to not allow the issues on the ballot, saying that fracking is regulated by the state. And on the ballot issues,
that organizations such as labor unions have First Amendment rights of their own.
Election Board Chairman Mark Monroe said both proposals to amend Youngstown's charter
deal with matters that are governed by existing law and are clearly beyond the city's authority to modify.
And with that, the board voted 4-0 not to allow either issue on the November 7th ballot.
We are no longer just the anti-fracking activists, we are also the pro-democracy activists.
Well, the Board of Elections also dealt with protests filed by Youngstown School Board member Corinne Sanderson, who claimed school board candidates Ron Shad and Tina Svetkovich had submitted improper signatures on their petitions. The board ruled that was not the case and allowed both Shad and Svetkovich to remain on the ballot.